Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, dear children, today we are going to do put the sign greater than, less than, or equals to. We will do the worksheet on greater sign and less than and equals to. Let's start the worksheet. Hey children, let's compare numbers. Here are some objects, some pictures as you can see. We will count the picture. We will count the number of the pictures and write it on the box in both sides. And after that, we will compare the number left side and right side. We will compare the bigger number or smaller number because a crocodile wants to eat bigger, wants to eat more than, more things. Okay, so let's start the oranges. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. In left side there are 6 oranges and at right side 1 and 2. There are only 2 oranges. Now can you tell me which number is bigger? 6 is bigger or 2 is bigger? Listen children, that number comes after, that number comes after, it is called bigger number. That number comes after, this is called bigger number. Like we will start counting from 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 comes at last, so 6 is the bigger number. So crocodile eat more things. Now let's count the apples. 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many apples? 5 apples. 5. And what about right side? 1 2 3. There are 3 apples. Now can you tell me which number is bigger? This 5 is bigger or 3 is bigger? Obviously 5 is bigger because here are lots of apples and here are less number of apples. 5 is bigger. So crocodile open his mouth on bigger side. Now here are some pineapples. Let's count how many they are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7. In left side there are 7 pineapples and let's count right side. How many they are? 1 2 3 4. There are 4 pineapples. Now let's compare them. 7 is bigger or 4 is bigger? This side is bigger or this side is bigger? 7 is bigger. So open the mouth this side. Okay. Here are some bananas. Let's count how many they are. 1 and 2. There are 2 bananas at left side and this side. 1, 2, 3 bananas. How many bananas? 3. Now let's compare them. 2 is bigger or 3 is bigger? Which side you can see more bananas? Right side, left side 2 and right side are 3. 3 is bigger than 2. 3 is bigger than 2 because 3 comes after 2. That number comes after. It is bigger number. That number comes after. It is bigger number. Let's count the cherries. 1, 2, 3. Left side there are 3 cherries and right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cherries. Now which number is bigger? Come on, tell me. This number is bigger. 6 is bigger because there are more cherries. 6. Crocodile opens its mouth on bigger side. Now let's count the oranges. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you tell me which number is bigger, 3 or 4? Of course 4 is bigger because 4 comes after 3. That number comes after. It is called bigger number. Smaller number comes before and bigger number comes after. Smaller number comes before and bigger number comes after. Okay, children? Now count the cherries here. 1, 2, 3. And this side 1, 2 and 3. Left side is 3 and right side is 3. It means both sides are equal. So this is the sign of equals to. When both sides are equal, when both numbers are equal, equal means same number. Here are 3 cherries and here are 3 cherries. So both side number are same. There we put the equals to sign. Which sign? Equals to sign. Now let's count the bananas. 1, 2 and 3. Here are 1, 2 and 3. Now look, both sides are same, both numbers are same. So here we put equals to. Equals to means both numbers are equal. No one is bigger, no one is smaller. Both are same. Here are some oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 3 and right side is 3. Now both numbers are same. So here we put sign of equals to. When the both numbers are same, when both numbers are same, then we put sign of equals to. Okay, children? Now, children, that number comes before, it is smaller number, and that number comes after, it is bigger number. Then the both numbers are same, then they are equals. They are equals to. Goodbye.